Business segment data is useful in fundamental analysis. Most companies operate in more than one segment or industry, and they often report some accounting values on a per-segment basis. The definition of segments is up to the company for these purposes. Some companies operate in one segment and therefore will not disclose this information. Some companies define their segments by business or geographic region. A company's segments may change over time as the company evolves and enters or exits different fields. Knowing which segments contribute how much revenue and operating income to a company is valuable information. Different segments often have different exposures to different conditions. The top panel of the display gives a table of segment data for the past 10 years, if available. Each value is the percent of total operating income that the segment provides. The bottom panel supplies a bar chart of the most recent year's data. Each bar represents an operational segment. Segments that no longer exist are not included in the table. Advantages of segment data is that it is easy to understand, access, and can give valuable information about areas of risk, growth, or exposure. Disadvantages are that not all companies include this information in their financial reports, and segments can change over time. This makes it difficult to compare across peers in time. The segment titles alone offer insight into the company's operations. Segments that no longer exist will remain in the table of data. Within the table, view the trend in growth or decline for each company. Segment operating income can differ from segment revenue contribution. Some segments may be less profitable despite higher sales. The table data for 20th Century Fox shows that their largest segment in terms of operating income is cable network programming. Following that row of data back several years, we see the segment has been growing. From 2008 to 2009, the segment percent of operating income increased from 23.6 to 46.9, which is a very large increase. An investor may want to investigate what changes occurred that year to allow for this increase.